Now, PDP leader and former Chief Minister of the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir has stirred a hornet's nest by calling for dialogue with Pakistan before the crucial meeting of political leaders from Jammu and Kashmir with the Prime Minister in Delhi. That's happening tomorrow. The BJP is hit back, ruling out dialogue till Pakistan, they say, stops bleeding India.
जम्मू कश्मीर में डायलॉग करें और सबके साथ करें और पाकिस्तान के साथ भी करें रेजोल्यूशन के लिए.
The open pandering to Pakistan in return for the centre's olive branch. Mehbooba Mufti singing the Pakistan tune ahead of Prime Minister Modi's all-important all-party talks on Thursday, raising questions on the viability of this entire exercise.
न सिर्फ जम्मू कश्मीर या हमारे मुल्क के अंदर बल्कि पूरे खिते में तो इसके बगैर कोई चारा नहीं है.
सर साहब ने क्लियर कर दिया नो
कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन दैट. और डायलॉग की बात हमसे डायलॉग कर रहे हैं. हम कहते हैं कि ये दोहा जाके तालिबान से डायलॉग कर रहे हैं. आपने सुना होगा हमारी गवर्नमेंट. तो जम्मू कश्मीर में डायलॉग करें और सबके साथ करें और पाकिस्तान के साथ भी करें रेजोल्यूशन के लिए.
Mehbooba Mufti advocating talks with the principal tormentors of Kashmiris. Even as Pakistan continues to send in terrorists to bleed Kashmiris. On Monday, 3 Lashkar terrorists who killed several politicians and policemen were killed in an encounter. The BJP questioned the locus standi of Pakistan in internal matters of India, especially at a time when an all-important, all-party meet for a Naya Kashmir is on the table.
जहां कहीं भी देश के विरुद्ध कोई आवाज करेगा, देश के विरुद्ध जहां कहीं कोई षड्यंत्र करने की कोशिश करेगा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी उसको काउंटर करेगी.
The Gupkar alliance, which accepted Modi's invitation, is also hardening its stand on return to J&K's statehood and revoked special status.
पीपल्स अलायंस का जो एजेंडा है, जिसके लिए हमने ये अलायंस बनाया हुआ है, जो हमसे छीना गया है, हम उस पे बात करेंगे कि ये आपने गलती की है, ये इलीगल रहा है, ये अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है. इसको बहाल किए बगैर जम्मू कश्मीर का मसला और जम्मू कश्मीर के हालात और इस पूरे खित्ते में आप अमन बहाल नहीं कर सकते.
The PAGD, all the constituents of PAGD and the people of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh, they stand by that declaration that restoration of 370 and 35A is a must.
Earlier, National Conference patron Farooq Abdullah led the Gupkar strategy meeting, asserting that the group will put its stand before the Prime Minister on Thursday.
हमें उम्मीद है कि हम अपने जो मौक़िफ़ है उसको वहाँ पे वज़ीर आज़म साहब और होम मिनिस्टर साहब के सामने रखें.
Many of the Gupkar leaders felt increasingly sidelined after the centre revoked Jammu and Kashmir's special status. Are they now reopening old wounds when the valley is trying its level best to keep its troubled past behind?
The BJP leaders who are going to participate in that all-party meeting are going to oppose Mehbooba Mufti's demands. Now it remains to be seen that what exactly is discussed in that all-party meeting and what is the centre going to do as far as political future of Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.